and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. HANM seeks development for Assam-Meghalaya border villages. FKJGP urges action on transfer certificates for students in Ribhoi. Fire destroys wooden house in Jhalupara, Shillong. And BJP releases manifesto for upcoming MDC elections. And now the news in detail. The Hnyothrap Achek National Movement, HANM, led by President Lamprang Kharbani, met with Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Ba Snya Bhalang Dhar to address the issues faced by residents along Block 1's border regions. HANM Vice President Ba Balawan Nongsit expressed concern over the people's struggles and urged the state government to provide epics, land titles and essential development initiatives. These include improvements in water supply, healthcare and road infrastructure in villages along the Assam-Meghalaya border, aiming to uplift the local communities and ensure their welfare.
Tik senang berang poplak wan yang ikaseng haka katrik u berai November ajar pesau kolong bah halor bah kumlo akot ikaseng bah kena teori tai hek jing jong tu senang berang ti poplak wan ki berang ru pratik senang berkontup arpo ja li kilong yeng dek nak lang seng hatu kesengi bengalik banes yesong men teori tai bagi senjuk orang bah senang hati kesengi tapi tarik bagi mencap senang kolong bah kajing itu kajing kajing itu kajing sengi kolong bah kajing siam jenja jong ki nong song jong tu ki jaga phapot badar bakah Assam-Meghalaya, Assam-Meghalaya, kalau bah kajing siam jenja joki kalau bah haduk bah nak leng keseng idap musim basusi, ngai so pangnut, ngai susi haduk kata bang iba, kajing sya iben, kajing sya le ban ben, om tang sekal Meghalaya wat sekal Assam ru, bah jing jong kitu kibreu hati po boda Assam kalau bah klaim kum ki merat, kum ki sigi pelang. Maka kai kata bah pelang kumtan bah ngi so nak jong ki skor, nak liang nolam sinong, nak liang Jerman, jong tu senjuk jong kirang bah sinong keti pratik sinong, pada po blok 1 po boda kalau bah kajing jong ki beksiam kalau bah wat kanu ke development kanu ke kamperoi kanu ke jing kabah kamiat nak sarkar Meghalaya kimsim layo ko umbam komdi kimsim layo ka boarding kimsim layo hospital kamdan sesir kimdan ko umbam bit kimyo pabyang wat kasurok bagi tep bagi ka butlum bagi kaderu ka kalat kamai bat kali kaderu kaspapa joten bodi kasurok kade ba konsentam wat kataru kimdan te pokosno kimyo kadi padisno te bosi ulong ba nakalang Jerman ketika senjuk lomba senong tu segitu si lomba posisi isu lomba haba don bapang bastom do senong don gilong kemi ba armet dan bapang bastom marbale kata ba wah tang steng tiru teng kimsing pokador ki khatno berkidoru.
On January 27th, leaders of the FKJGP Nongpo Circle, led by President Precious Khumdet, met with District School Education Officer DSEO and Ruby Z. Das, Joint Director of School Education, to address complaints from students facing difficulties in obtaining transfer certificates. Some schools in Ribhoi district had reportedly denied students the necessary certificates to transfer to other schools. Following the meeting, the DSEO assured the FKJGP leaders that action would be taken, directing all schools in the district to issue transfer certificates to students wishing to transfer.
Kami kikpa bat ki bahing basem yang kena school halor kajing kidon ki school kadu kat ne ki school ki bak ITC yang kena school ane ki mai atau open number te teng kajing pemiot TC jong ki kena kapen sem sitom ya ki kena school bakin dech ki school nam bak school kam ga TC ki namla ki mi admission ma te ngira de bi kan ba kajing kenduk jungi bat imadam ila ai kata assurance ba in sim kia halor kan ka benta ba i na jong i in pha ga notification sa ki school ba ki de ban ai ya kata ka transfer certificate baki kena mo masuk mentali bun kajing bamiot tisi ki kena ki poi pep school no namar baki mon bencong hatu school ki chwa balik chawi school tu kim yot nambar baka jing bamiot ya ka transfer certificate te ngiru nagaliang aseng nyai budin kalau kani ka benta but nagaliang jong ki pa kita ban pada kidon kum kita ki school ki ba mai kita ki TC ane kita ki pen number bakin pentip hi kaseng ane kin wan sapo di SEO bakin pen ai ka jing ujor kalau kani benta.
A devastating fire broke out at an old wooden house in Jalupara, Mauprem, Shillong at 3 p.m. on January 27th. The flame spread rapidly, consuming the entire house and destroying all of its belongings. The fire service responded promptly with water tankers, while local residents attempted to douse the flames, but their efforts were in vain. Fortunately, only one person, Sharda Pradhan, was inside at the time of the fire, and she managed to escape unharmed. The exact cause of the fire remains unknown, and an investigation is underway.
भाई इतने बार थोड़ा भाई से भगा दो लोग यार शाबाश शाबाश हाँ
जल्दी लेके जा फायर ब्रिगेड पे देख तू हम फोटो भर देगा चला निकाले बोला पानी ले जा मोहसिन इसके अंदर में एक तो है और मोहसिन भाई इसके अंदर में और एक गैस है और एक ना सुनना टीना खोल दे टीना खोल देना पानी मार सकेगा उसके अंदर उसका टीना उखाड़ देना.
On January 27th, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) released its manifesto for the upcoming MDC elections, scheduled for February 21st. The state president of the BJP, Rikmanji Momin, unveiled the mission statement at the party office. Key promises include paying salaries to village headmen and sardars, providing rupees 2,000 per month to daily wage labourers, hourly workers, commercial vehicle drivers and single mothers, and offering support to widowed families. The party also plans to initiate a coal mining industry, promote tourism and address custom-related matters to improve local welfare.
Nyo daga tulok sa kikli ng sanchar kung gisorda bat kinang masnong. Kabaan, banay jingirap ang hajat ng kasibnay sa gibabelasngi kung ginong trekenta, kinong niya taksi, kiblaklalok, kinong kami pagkasan dalagi, manpertrekam, badyakan ang trekam di bigarbasnong. Kabalay, banyak pelat ke khajna nagakam khai doyong ke BHP ke pular day ban sedang no ya kam ti doyong kat kum ke jintha jo ke yeng ke shari pa khledo jo dari krang ban kil ya ke jing yo nong jo ki council kabasau sarong ya la ka jong kanong ka wei na kilat ban kentiu ya ka kam chngok kai bat ban kentiu ya ka culture jong ka jelah kawasan ban penkhan ya jing ai smart dawai kembang haringkat jing trelang bat katna sarkar ka ayush ministry ka bahandriu ban thung ya ka committee ban khni nya ya ka jing tumtre ya scheme bat ba apo ki district council ka banyo ka district council kan pumi ya katna ban khni nya halor ka jing bai tingka na banta ban sengkam kisamla tradi balanang asa haringkat jinge trailang bat kisim ki doloy bat ki dor barsno ban bodin ya ke jing perkala ya ke khangit ban riu khnang ban pengkil ya ki MDC bashutu hapo andru bana bat kapati kadawa bawe MDC bashutung udai bandai usie hapo ka KHDC ban wei pat udaloy a GHDC Kalau kendai, ban wara, daki but mai, ban pensei so, yaki jabo jaban, ki bami hakiman ki hima, bat ki ilaka, ban ai jingira bet naka.
Ba OS Jerwa, an independent candidate, has filed his nomination papers for the upcoming MDC election scheduled for 21st February 2025. The papers were submitted to the returning officer M. Lakyang, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Shillong. Speaking to the media, Jerwa shared that he decided to run after receiving encouragement from the people of the constituency who urged him to address their pressing issues. Previously, Jerwa contested the MLA election but did not achieve victory. His decision to contest the MDC election comes as part of his continued service to the community.
Ini pun saya tahu orang terus konsul ni kedai kata ni banyada jadi di sentiasa terus kasih jongi ban penek pensa ikan ni kendau kasih apa bagi kita hiu tiap ikan terus konsul baru ni tiap ikan tak schedule dari kabang kam kita angkai konsul si jongi mentah kabang ini sidai kini ki bylaws nam terus konsul nam mending dang kini kisni dang bener kana wan sya kini ki snong bahak angkai pot ni sulong dia habang ipet itu ki bylaws jong ka sponsor itu bagi sikhet itu bagi sulong tak kopi ke ba jong ka bylaws ka building bylaws jong ka muda ka urban dia henry this council pada kamsam sampai ke rural areas ni mungkin mungkin terkam di itu building bylaws apa ki rural areas ngam surya ha dia mau lari poin yang tay use happy matla bagi bagi dia menpakat berkuai perfect lah ka jong ka building bylaws Banlong ya hapat ke jinglong se rural areas. Maka ki building senang dan building tu. Dan tangki yang tak silang. Tapi mentah bin ong dekat building belas mentah kampung undang isu ki he pelat kata mai ni stai semua undang. Bagi bobon kisah sebab tiba ngarung ngami kau mengimlak berpediang ini. Kita ni kata ko isu ngang ngampai di tangkam bata bukan. Kamtam gini bisnong di bahak. Jan bisnong molong sai si buat bisnong situ. Tak nak itu. Buat kuat kami kita building bylaws kita diskonsul sedang menolak kita. Kesin bela yelek berfai bopoi sekotong. Bopoi tu mut lem no, ba yelek mut be bopoi sekotong hi, yelek rumut dan nyomot we kandidat hi mut bojop sudah. Kemudian ke semua banjop mono ban kuat election mo. Tinggal nyepet ke dalam nyong kobot kan. Poi nak poi nuri tray stem ngan tray back, nya dua you boleh try kan nak nombor long tau. Bau nyalam nanti ni bun ai ni ke buat begin poi sekotong. Ada nilai trace system, ada poin sekejing job ngin yang kemen, ada ngiram ngin hun, nomor panggil trace system. Kutang-kutang jing election. Mo. Tino suka bom na kat sebut songsit ngim lak mentip. Ya kata jing songsit jing pat ba kasya jing songsit jing pat ba. Ngi ngi la ka jong kanong rem no bangi ngla sakri jing pat ba. Ka kam ngla train nam ta jong kia konstituensi ngin dia jalan di konstituensi ngin dia jalan di blue ke kesan. Ni banyak pan di kesan halor kanong rem ko bangi yang nang am ta ban sakri ya hidup kisuk kirangli di bangi ya jajan ya keduk nak si se menginyarak di kongkong itu hipis nong tahu bagi in kap ye saya la kajong nong tahu ye la kajong ta ri la kajong ta yang kasih kita kalau ba ngu yang
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.